Good morning, everyone. This is a tips for Zippo lighter fuel that will last you for weeks when you store it or you use it even with you. This is an inner tube for bicycle. It has to be big size bicycle, and all you have to do is just place it inside it, and I cut it from this side, so it's easy for me to hold. As you see, this is very useful tips or tip. I hope you will like it. It's tips actually, because I cut it from here. I seen this on one of the YouTube channel, but he did not do it like this. He just placed it like socks, in like sleeve socks. It was full piece. He did not cut it, but I found that if you cut it, it's easier to in and out. And the most important thing, to cover this part. Thank you, and I wish you to have a nice day and evening. Bye bye.